Hello, I'm Kush Patel from Infinity Innovations and Experience Expeditions, and this is the 101 Essentials for turning a hotel website into a revenue generating machine, an ultimate guide for hoteliers to consistently generate more bookings, grow profits, and eventually break free from the OTA dependence. I invite you to join this micro expedition to explore essential number 70, regular maintenance. Imagine a scenario where it is the busiest time of the year for your hotel. People are approaching to make bookings and your website has suddenly stopped working or is not working as desired. You cannot agree more on it being your worst nightmare. Every man-made thing in this universe needs regular maintenance and care to keep serving its purpose, and one of them is your hotel website. Yes, you read it right. Gone are the days where websites were a one-time thing. Nowadays, unless you keep a regular health check of your website, it will not serve its purpose it was designed and developed for. If your website maintenance is not planned on paper and performed on devices regularly, you are simply throwing money out of the window that you spend on its development and are continuously spending on its marketing and driving traffic to it, be it from social media or offline efforts. Typically, just like many other hoteliers, if you do not care to check the functionality of your hotel website after it is up and live, then you are totally unaware of the fact that you are missing out on opportunity to generate bookings from your hotel website. The whole and sole reason behind this is if any guests check your hotel website to find things not in place, the chances are they may never return to the website again and your hotel will have to bear the revenue losses. This commonly happens because of missing regular website maintenance. You may be surprised to learn that the overall performance of your hotel website, including its uptime and downtime, directly depends on the maintenance of the software and plugins used to develop your website. You need to monitor the growth of your website, publish freshly created content, analyze the analytics, tweak the design as per requirements, and make sure all the updates are done in a silky smooth and error-free manner to avail benefits from your hotel website. Keeping your hotel website maintained will help you deliver an amazing experience to your guests every time they visit, ultimately increasing repeat visits and more revenue. In the next post of this series, I am going to help you explore how to find out what visitors actually do on your hotel website. Meanwhile, make sure you download the free checklist of 101 Essentials to turn your hotel website into a revenue generating machine as well.